let's talk about cooking for a second. You guys like to cook? I know some of you do. I've seen some of your cooking on Facebook. I can't cook. I mean, I can, but I just don't. Or maybe I can't. I don't really know. I mean, some of the things I try are like, eh. Let's try again next time. But my husband is a pretty darn good cook. If he's cooking, you can guarantee that my 18-year-old kid is gonna show up. I really thought it was weird when he was home for 3 dinners in a row. And then you guys have started connecting the dots. He's not home 3 days in a row, just purely out of coincidence. My husband was cooking, okay? So my husband brought my kid home. Why? He's probably sick of Hamburger Helper. I don't know. My husband is a way better cook than I am, so I gotta give this guy a lot of credit. I mean, I do cook some things, like I'll throw it on in a breakfast or like fried chicken. But other than that, I mean, I'm okay with it. Long enough somebody in the house is cooking and somebody is making sure that everybody's fed. I'm perfectly okay with it. So I gotta give my man some props here today. Thanks for always cooking, babe. That's what I'm thinking.